Alright, so today we're in Oakville doing a project in a townhome. As you can see, carpet on the floor to be removed and replaced with engineered flooring. Materials just arrived. We're gonna have to offload all of this and bring it all the way upstairs. Townhouses have a heck of a lot of stairs. Offloaded, ready to bring it up. These things are sharp. Look at that. Quad. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hello. Fast. Roll these up into basically big burritos. Dude, why would you use your wallet to pop the door open? Alright, that works. Let's hold. Alright, so in a lot of cases, our customers have to relocate while we're doing the project. And in this case, they had to relocate into their living room. Take a look. The struggle begins again. I always found these machines so cool. Look at this advanced technology, just so that you can have some nice flooring in your home. Boom! Prima Tech. Oh, time for the big guns. Right? Lunchtime, if you know, you know. Garlic. Oh. Alright, so a little progress update. We are actually almost done the second room. The first room's already done. Take a look. A little dirty, but we'll get it all cleaned up soon. You can see here, the hallway is also almost done. And the second bedroom as well. Next thing we gotta do is install the baseboards and we're all out of here. It's not even, it's a square. Yeah, as long as it's covered.
That's fun.
Wow! Oh my goodness! My live honest reaction.
Wow. Wow. Every contractor should have one of these. Not even sponsored. Dyson, you know what to do. Nice. Hey guys, so it's 6:30 exactly, and we just finished the last baseboard. I'm gonna show you guys the result right now. Okay, here, so do you like it? Yeah. Cool. You heard it here first, guys. It's a success. Stay tuned for the next one.